everyone, welcome back. In today's video I will be showing you a makeup tutorial on this look that you could wear for Ashtami. Before we begin, I wanted to wish all of you a very happy Durga Puja. I know that this year we're all going to be celebrating Pujo from home, and yet I wanted to create a look that was glamorous. I wanted to get into the festive mood. I think Pujo only comes once a year, and I feel like it's such a great excuse to look your best and feel your best. So I really hope you guys enjoy this ultra glam look. Very festive, very feminine, very Indian, and I can't wait for you guys to recreate this look and enjoy Pujo at home. And without any further ado, let's get started. Let's start with priming our face, and today I'm going to use this water bomb one to really hydrate and plump up my skin before I apply any foundation. For foundation, I'm wearing the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless. I really like the coverage that it gives, and it also blends really well on the skin, so I'm applying a light even layer all over. Then I'm going to use the PAC concealer to conceal both underneath my eyes and also my eyelid. I love that it has a tinge of yellow in it, so that really helps in brightening up the under eye. And I also love how beautifully it blends. Then I'm going to set the concealer with some loose powder and also apply it anywhere I get oily. Next, I'm going to contour very slightly using this shade. And this is a very natural looking shadow. I'm not really heavily contouring. Then I am going to really highlight well. I'm using a liquid highlighter first. This one in Glazed Bronze is beautiful. And then I like layering it on with a powder highlighter. I'm using this one from Makeup Revolution. And I'm tapping it on top of the highlighter. I'm also applying it underneath my eyebrows, temples, and anywhere else that my skin is exposed. Next, I'm going to do my brows. I'm using the Lakme Micro Brow Perfector and filling up the sparse areas in my brow. And I'm using the spoolie to blend it all out. To start off the eyes, I'm going to use this warm rusty color and use that as a transition shade. So I'm going to apply it slightly higher than my crease, and I'm using my brush to softly blend it outwards. I love how beautifully these eyeshadows blend. Next, I'm going to take this warm orange and again intensify the color on my crease and also take it onto my lower lash line and extend it outwards as well. Then I'm going to take this red shade from the Lakme palette and intensify the red on my crease, and I'm just going to keep adding the color from the palette and keep blending. And I'm also extending the shade outwards. Whenever someone asks me what eyeshadow palette I should get as a beginner, I always tell them get a liquid eyeshadow. Do you see how easy it is to apply? And I love these ones from Colorbar. They're so pigmented, so easy to apply. So I'm applying that on the inner corner and the insides of my eyes. Then I'm going to take the Chambor eyeshadow stick. This is so soft, so buttery, so easy to use, and it is extremely pigmented. I love using this whenever I want that intense smokiness. So I'm using that to create out a nice smoky lash line. Then I'm going to apply false lashes and cover it up with a winged eyeliner. I love this Maybelline Colossal Bold Liner. I love how dark it is. I love the wand, and it's also very easy to use. And I feel like this look needed a winged eyeliner as well. I feel like a Durga Puja look would be incomplete without a nice smoky liner. If you guys don't prefer a very smoked out, winged out look, then you can watch my previous video, which was a daytime subtle look. For the lips, I'm going to use one of the brightest cherry red lipsticks that I own. This is from Sugar and it is extremely bright, so appropriate for the festive season. And it's also extremely long lasting. It's insanely pigmented. And then, I don't know if you noticed, but I skipped blush. I like to use my red lipstick as a blush. I'm finishing it up with a bindi and my Mang Tikki. And I'm setting the makeup with this Sugar Highlighting Setting Mist. This makes the look even more glowing. And that's it. This is the finished look. As soon as I got ready, I just got into the Pujo mood. I think just wearing the sari and doing my hair and putting in all of the jewelry just kind of got me into the Pujo mood, and I loved wearing this sari. And I find saris are one of the most comfortable things to wear. I think it also makes you look so elegant, and once you put everything together, you just get into the festive mood, don't we? So this is the finished look, the entire sari look. A lot of you actually asked me, why didn't you show a full look? So here it is. You made it to the end of the video, so that's it for this look. I really hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you guys have an amazing Pujo wherever you are. I hope you're celebrating with your loved one and eating amazing food. I am so blessed that this year I get to spend it with my parents. We are spending it together, so I'm definitely having a lot of fun, and I'm sending you all my happy positive vibes to you. If you like this video, then please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. That would mean so much to me, and that really pushes me to make more amazing content for you guys. And that's it. Thank you so much once again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.